Hi, I'm Jenna from the lifestyle blog Jenna Kate at Home, where I share inspired ideas to help make your house a home. Today I'm sharing my Talk at the Table Thanksgiving stuffing recipe. The reason it's called Talk at the Table stuffing is that it's so good that everyone at your table is going to be talking about it. Trust me, it really is that good. For the full list of ingredients, including all the amounts, head to the blog post that I've linked in the description.
Place oil in a pan and cook the sausage and onion on a medium-high heat. This will take approximately 5 minutes. While this sausage mixture is cooking, chop up your celery and herbs. With the thyme and rosemary, point them downwards and strip the leaves from the stems, and the same goes for the sage. Just chop up the leaves. Add the celery and herbs to the sausage mixture and cook for another 2 minutes. Using the biggest bowl you have, pour in your sausage mixture, followed by your diced apples, dried cranberries, and parsley. Then give it a good mix and make sure it's all combined. Now add in that crispy bread from the oven, followed by the butter and stock, and mix it all together. You want the bread moist, but you don't want any liquid pooled at the bottom of the bowl. Then spread the stuffing in an even layer on the largest baking sheet you have and put it in the oven. It's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour to cook, and you're going to have to stir it every 15 minutes to ensure that all the moisture evaporates. Then all that's left to do is serve it up and enjoy it.